Hi, grade sixes. Believe it or not, this is the third time I'm trying to do this video. And this is why it takes so long for me to get through everything. And hopefully the more I learn, the quicker I can get this done, the quicker I can get back to you and help you individually. I know that some of you are experiencing a little bit of trouble with your work. I am wanting to be there tomorrow for a Zoom meeting for you. If until then you are struggling, don't get to a point of frustration. You just try and try until you get frustrated, and at that point you need to stop, try something different, either go to your other math activities that you still need to finish, or try something completely different. Go to English, do some novel studies, maybe do a bit of science or art. Get out there and try something different. Sometimes a break like that is all you need, and you can come back and you can think a little bit more clearly, or it looks different to you for some reason. So try those strategies. If it's still frustrating you, then wait until the Zoom meeting for that specific activity, but do what you can with the others. Yeah, so let's get going with today's second lesson. I posted one already on Y3. So we're doing Y4 right now. So let's get into that. We're looking at math H. See, this is just like we were in class, right? Okay. So here we're going to complete a table for a two-variable relationship. So let's read the question together. A backpacking company requires each camper to bring a flashlight to go on a trip. The company supplies 3 extra in case any flashlights get lost or broken. Let C represent the number of campers and F represent the total number of flashlights. Complete the table using the equation F is equal to C plus 3. So, it gives us a table here that we need to complete. So I'm going to annotate here for you. Let's get a text box going. Remember, we write down exactly what we see. F is equal to C plus 3. Now here we are trying to find the boxes in the F column. So the F is what we're still looking for. So we don't know what F is, and that's what we're trying to figure out. So we're going to rewrite F as it is. But for C, we know that C, when we are trying to find this F, this C and that F go together. All right. The 1 and the 4 go together, the 3 and the 6, they're called relationships, 4 and 7, okay? So the relationship of the F that we're trying to find here, the C value is 2. So we're going to substitute 2 for that C, and we're going to rewrite the equation exactly as we see it. Don't leave anything out. And then 2 plus 3 is 5, okay? So we know that when C is 2, F will be 5. Great. Okay, let's try another question. I suggest you pause, figure it out, come back. All right, so let's read it together. The odometer in Yen's new car already read 9 kilometers when she started driving it. Let X represent the number of kilometers Yen has driven the car, and Y represent the number of kilometers on the odometer. Complete the table using the equation Y is equal to X plus 9. Rewrite that, X plus 9. We are trying to find that Y. So we don't know what Y is yet. We just keep it as Y. X, we know for this relationship, X needs to be 1. So we substitute 1 for X. We copy it down as we see it. And then we end up having Y is equal to 1 plus 9, which is 10. All right, so we submit that. Fantastic work, guys. All right, let's read this together. On each necklace Paul makes, there are 2 more purple beads than silver beads. Let S represent the number of silver beads and P represent the number of purple beads. Complete the table using the equation P is equal to S plus 2. I've left my previous little way to work it out over here so that you can use that to try to figure it out. Press pause now, work it out. Okay, so let's try this one together. We rewrite the equation as we see it. P is equal to S plus 2. P is what we're trying to find, so we rewrite P. S for that P, the relationship there, S is going to be 2, so we substitute 2 in for that S, and we rewrite the equation as we see it, so plus 2. P is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. Very difficult math here, grade 6s. So P is equal to 4. Fantastic. I hope you have a good time.